Today we'll be changing my fog lights and also tinting them yellow. Just a quick backstory. The reason why I'm changing this is because my old fog lights, they were actually two driver's side lights with one flipped around to fit in the bracket and held on by zip ties. I got this for 50 bucks off Marketplace. I got it bundled with my floor mats. With the tin as well. It's $11 off Amazon. So what I'm doing here is basically just heating it up with a hairdryer first, so the tint is a bit more flat and also just sticks better. After that, you can peel it off. Match it up with the fog light shape. Also, just the fact that like when I did it, since this is my first time, I've never had tinting experience. I was pulling it off a lot and redoing it to get rid of the air bubbles. But yeah, just be mindful of the shape. It's not flat surface, so you might get air bubbles here and there. After that, I just cut it off with scissors. And then once we do that, we use the hair dryers to kind of flatten the corners down, melt the tin down so it sticks along the edges more nicely. And then after that, we can reinstall the brackets. And yeah, this is what it looks like after. There's a bit of air bubbles, but yeah. Now, when it comes to actually changing them, it's pretty simple. Of course, you do have to remove your front bumper for this. You have 3 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, and another one near your lower grill. And once we take that off, we can simply just switch the connector out. So I think you turn right, my right, if you're in my perspective. So you turn right to get the bulbs out. Yeah, if you were also changing the bulbs, that's how you do it. Of course, you don't have to take a whole bumper off. You can just take a grill off and maybe reach down there if your hands are small enough. But yeah, we're going to replace the bulbs. We're not changing the bulbs for now. Yeah, we're going to put the old bulbs back in because they still work. Yeah, just get a nice in there and then turn the opposite way to lock it in. After that, we just basically do the reverse. And this is after. So I'm putting my front bumper back on and you can already see the yellow tint. It looks, me personally, it looks all right. I'm still kind of in between on whether I like it or not. On one side at night, it does look good with the yellow, but again, when it comes to day, the Amazon tint looks really ricey. Now, yeah, this is what I said before. Just before you actually put everything back together, just don't put your grill on yet. You can reach down, connect it, test if your fog light works, and of course here it works. So yeah, it looks pretty good when it's on at night. Yeah, my only main issue is that like during the day it looks a bit ricey. So I'm contemplating whether to maybe just take the tint off and get LED bulbs that's yellow. So yeah, anyways, that's about it for this video. Yeah, apologies, but yeah, I'm busy fixing my oil leak. So stay tuned for that one. If you do enjoy, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.